Hey folks, Daniel Car Fix here. This is my daughter's 2013 convertible Beetle, and as you can see, it's got the rag top, and I'm a little bit concerned about the durability, and these aren't cheap to replace. So I bought a protection kit, and I'm going to show you guys what I got, and I'm going to test it to see if it works or not. And this is a protection kit I got. It's the, I don't know if you can see it, but it's the 303 convertible top care kit. Let's see what comes inside. So it just basically comes with 2 bottles. And I assume that the instructions are going to be on the inside because I didn't see that on the outside. Yes, and there's some directions. So it comes with 2 bottles. This is the cleaner bottle, and this is the fabric guard bottle. And I'm going to get the car washed first, and then I'm going to apply these on the rag top, and then I'm going to do some testing to see if it actually repels water. But let's see if this is somewhat good or not. Alright, so now that I've washed the car, used the soap, and applied the fabric protectant, the last step is to just test it to make sure if it's going to repel water or not. So let's see if this works as advertised. That is interesting. This is cool. Look at that. Yep. Yeah, it works. I'm not sure about UV rays. I guess time will tell, but at least it works as advertised. All right, folks, my impression about this convertible top care kit, I think it's really good. It does what it promises. So the soap, what I found was that the soap is really good. It really got all of the surface clean. It had some stains that it took off. That's really good. The only thing is, if you don't have a pressure washer, consider using less of the cleaning solution than I did, because I had to really wash this for the soap to come off, but the result was that it was very clean. And the protectant solution, which makes it impermeable, I think it does what it promises. I was just driving with this car in the rain. You can see it's raining. Not raining right now, but it was raining a few minutes, before. But I was on rain driving, and when I stopped to fill up the car, impressively, the top was basically dry. So it really does what it promises. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up below and consider subscribing. Thank you.